Human life cycle sequence. Purpose: to recognize stages of the human life cycle and place them in the correct sequence. Process skills: classify, collect data, interpret data, communicate. The materials you're going to need per group are magazines, scissors, construction paper, or glue sticks. If you don't have magazines to utilize this project, that's okay. You can use pictures around your home of a human life cycle that you can create yourself. Background: the human life cycle begins with a tiny round egg. This egg grows inside the mother. The egg soon becomes a small embryo. After 9 months inside the mother, the baby is born. At this time, a person is in the infancy stage. An infant depends on its mother for everything. At around 2 years of age, an infant leaves the infancy stage and enters a stage called childhood. Childhood lasts for about 10 years. Then a child enters a stage called adolescence. In this stage, a human develops the ability to make a baby. A human is an adolescent until he or she enters adulthood. This is the longest stage in the human life cycle. A human remains an adult for the rest of his or her life. This project should take you about 30 minutes and can be done in pairs or small groups. You can use your family to help you with this project. Next, I'm going to read the procedures. Number 1, go through magazines to find and clip out one picture of a human at each of the following stages: infancy, childhood, adolescence, and adulthood. Again, if you don't have a magazine, you can use pictures of a parent, a grandparent, or anyone in your family and use their pictures to help you. Number 2, fold the long side of a sheet of construction paper in half. Now fold the long side in half again, and then fold it in half one more time. You should wind up with 8 sections. See label diagram below. If you can't fold your paper exactly this way, no worries. As long as you have your life cycle in its correct order, I don't mind how you fold your paper. Number 3, review the 6 main stages of the human life cycle with your partner or group. So reread the background section if you need help. Number 4, in the 4 lower sections, glue the pictures that represent each stage below the word for that stage. Number 5, circle the stage of your life cycle that you are in right now. Number 6, write your names on your poster and give it a title. Your teacher may want to collect your posters and display them. In order for me to see your collection of pictures, I'm going to need you to take a picture of it and send it to me. Number 7, complete the questions page. On page 3, you're going to see that these are the questions that I'm going to have you answer. There's 5 questions under Analyze Data, and then Draw Conclusions as one more question. So 6 questions total. This last page here and this page here, these last 2 pages are just for you to read if you need references. They're not part of the assignment. Make sure whenever you're answering these questions, you answer in complete sentences using your neatest handwriting so I can read it. This project should be, like it says, about 30 minutes. So don't spend too much time on it. It's okay if it's not absolutely perfect. Do the best you can, be as neat as you can, and don't forget to take pictures and send it to me so I can see your project and your answers at the bottom.